Explore the benefits and drawbacks of captive versus third-party outsourcing and learn why many find third-party partnerships more advantageous. Captive outsourcing involves setting up remote branches managed directly, allowing firms like GE and Sony to maintain control and ensure quality. These captive centers, often located in countries like India, focus on various operations, from BPO to R&D, offering hands-on management. Key advantages of captive outsourcing include intellectual property protection, ultimate control over operations, and long-term cost savings. However, challenges such as high initial investment, operational complexity, and inflexibility make it a less appealing option for many. Third-party outsourcing, on the other hand, assigns operations to specialized service providers, aiming to cut costs and improve efficiency. Benefits of third-party outsourcing include flexibility, access to expertise, and risk mitigation, allowing businesses to adapt and innovate swiftly. Yet, concerns like quality control, coordination efforts, and potential higher costs, if not managed well, pose challenges to this model. For dynamic sectors, especially IT, leveraging third-party expertise offers greater flexibility and access to specialized skills. This strategy minimizes risks associated with captive setups, like high initial costs and scalability challenges. Working with experienced third-party partners allows companies to focus on core activities, driving innovation and growth. Accelerants, with over 20 years of expertise, matches businesses with the top 1% of software development partners worldwide. Contact Accelerants for guidance on outsourcing software development to achieve your business objectives efficiently and effectively.